So we just made it to Cloudland Canyon State Park. Seems like it's a $5 entry fee. Let's see. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Cash only or card?
Cash only. Thank you. You know where you're headed today?
I don't.
Are you looking for anything in particular?
No, just passing by, seeing what's good to look at.
Would you like a map?
Yes, please.
Been here before?
No.
Never?
No.
Had a lot of first timers today?
Yeah. Awesome. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too. Alright, we got a map. Let's see where we're going now. Alright, so this is the map that they gave us. We came in through here, the gate, and then we just traveled this blue. And then we parked right here, the main trailhead. And I think I'm going to go over here, the main overlook. And then I guess we can kind of just go around. I guess, I don't know how I get to the yellow loop. And then look at like the Hammock Falls. I didn't realize how big it was. This thing is huge. But I'm gonna switch to my GoPro and have it as like a chest mount, and see what we can find. Pooping, aren't you? Stop. Stop. Wow, look at the waterfalls down there. Jeez, look at this lookout. It's crazy. It really reminds me of Colorado.
How you going? Thank you. I appreciate you visiting with me.
You too. big jump. Come on. Let's go check out this lookout. This way. This way. Oh, let me pick you up for these because this is a big one. Make it easier for you. Wow, look at this lookout. Yeah, these stairs would have been hard for you. Let's check out this. This way. Why are you swimming in here, dude? Wow. And then on this side you can see the waterfalls. Come on, let's go check out this side. I don't know if you could see the waterfalls right there. It's beautiful out here, so peaceful. So we just found another little trail. Not really sure where it leads to, maybe another lookout point. I want to try to find that waterfall though. Man, I'm out of breath already. Whew. Here, let's cross over here. Oh, we got it. Let's cross over here. Let's see what this is.
Good afternoon, how are y'all?
How are you?
I'm doing well.
Wow, look at all these animals. So we just took a trail down to the waterfalls. So now we can actually see it. The waterfalls are over there, but Captain's getting some water because it was a long venture. We're gonna walk over there to the waterfall. Should be some sick views. Take a couple cool photos too. Wow, look at these falls. Look at all that water, dude. Look at all that water.
Oh, that's perfect, yeah.
I wish I brought my bathing suit. I would go in swimming. So this is falls number 2. Currently Captain's getting some water. He's thirsty, even though I'm carrying him the entire time.
I like your vlog.
Thank you. He's drinking water right now.
Yeah.
He's pretty thirsty.
That's so cute.
Well, I just lost my $400 pair of off-white sunglasses. I walked all the way back down like 2 miles just to see if I can find them. I was asking everybody like, hey, did you guys find them? Did you guys find them? And one person was like, oh yeah, I found them, thick ones with white writing. I said, yes. He's like, I put them on the ledge. And then as soon as he walked by, there was like a Spanish family, and I said, hey, did you guys find a pair of sunglasses? They said no. Those were the last people to walk up there after those guys. So they clearly had to take it, or it just fell off with the wind, but I walked all the way down. And the fact that someone did find them and was like, oh yeah, I put them on the ledge, is like, fuck, man, that's so annoying. $400 down the drain. Now, granted, I got it 2-3 years ago, so I guess I got my use out of them, but still, now I have to spend $400 on another pair of sunglasses. They were the off-white Virgil ones that they could, like, everything sold out. Man, $400 hike, basically. Like, this trail, this hike cost me $400. Not worth it at all. I should have never brought them in the first place. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna see if maybe the ranger station has a lost and found, but I was asking everybody, and the fact that the guy was like, oh yeah, I found them and I put them on the ledge, and then the next family was like, oh yeah, I didn't find them, and then they weren't there, they had to have taken them. But I don't know, let's give people the benefit of the doubt, see if they have a lost and found. I'm pretty sure I lost them though. So that little waterfall hike cost me $400. Now I'm just gonna get some food, I guess, and smoke a fat J, because man, this has got me so mad. Oh, so a little time has passed and I've kind of like calmed down a little bit, and I keep trying to like convince myself that like I bought them 3 years ago. I've used them almost every day since then, so I guess I got my money's worth out of it, but it's just such an inconvenience that I have to spend $400 and I probably won't even find the same colorway. Like, I had the brown ones with the light blue accents on them. I just happened to look online, they have a black pair for sale, $325 or $350. After tax, it's like $380, basically $400. And it's like, fuck, man, such an inconvenience to spend $400 just like that. Should have never brought them. I don't know why I brought them. I don't even know why I took them off, because they were on like my clip. And the fact that that guy was like, oh yeah, I found them. I wonder if he took them and was just like, oh yeah, I left them on the ledge. Or the family behind him did take them, because there was only one family behind him. And I asked them multiple times when I got back to my truck, I saw them by their car. I said, hey, you sure you guys didn't pick up a pair of sunglasses? And they're like, no, we didn't see anything. So it is what it is. Those sunglasses are gone. Rest in peace, Virgil. Rest in peace, those sunglasses. And now you can see why the video was titled, you know, this hike or this trail cost me $400. So now I'm driving about 20 minutes away from another like scenery lookout place, and I'll probably stay there tonight. I think they have some campgrounds, but that'll be a separate video just because we gotta try to make this money back now so I can get another pair of sunglasses. If you guys wanna buy me a pair of sunglasses, no, just kidding. I'm not gonna even say that. So hope you guys enjoyed the little trail video, the waterfalls, and me losing my off-white sunglasses. Till the next video, let's get it, guys.